Pred začatím samotného videa by som chcel povedať, že udalosti v tomto videu sú naozaj extrémne a ako Airsoft komunita by sme sa presne týmto situáciám mali vyvarovať. Nezabudnite nahodiť like a odber a bez ďalšieho obkecávania poďme na video.
Keep talking fucking hard online, retard. Fucking talking hard online. You're a fucking idiot.
He just got hit you and you hit me 2 times. You kept coming.
Yeah,
So
I got hit.
Don't be the rap.
Good, oh well. Good. Fuck that. Try it.
Have polar stars.
But yeah, we don't want polar stars.
Hey.
Hey, what the Q.
Don't talk like that to me.
Hey, Q. Come here. You think you is?
Oh, destroy you, little girl.
What the fuck? What the fuck, bruh? What the fuck is wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What the fuck?
You just shot this thing like
Are you really dead? You just shot. First of all, who is what?
We're all green.
So why the I shot you on 4?
You shot me first, dude.
Think 5 times.
And that's blind firing. There's no blind firing in airsoft.
Dude, I'm dead. I already fucking called it. Fuck you, Jesus.
You're mad, bro. You suck.
It wasn't even me.
All right, bro. You're getting banned. Nice. You almost fell. Good job, dude. Hey. Come here.
Right here.
Hey.
Everybody pull out of here.
Come here. Come here.
You pull out of me, I will murder you.
I didn't fall out of you. Come here.
Hey, this one.
Come here. I need to see his identity.
Is your line plugged in? Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
What's the problem?
Get him, go!
Go.
What's going on? Hold fire, hold fire.
Oh shit.
Colors at the medical kit.
Where?
NAJVÄČSIE weapons, safety's on.
Where'd he get hit? Oh shit.
Keep that on.
Back up.
No, I got medical.
Yo, everybody non-medical personnel, back up.
Carter, get the kit. You got to
Yo, if you guys don't have medical shit, back up.
What happened to him?
You're non-medical, back up.
He was shot in the eye.
Which one? This one. Where is it? On the bottom or top of your eye? I think he's okay. I think it hit the bone. I think you did hit your eye. Open your eye, look up.
Open your eye.
Look down.
Look that way. Look that way.
I think he's okay. He's not bleeding.
Guys, can we get everybody out?
You're okay. He's okay.
Everybody out.
It's gonna be a little swollen. But you're gonna be fine. A little swollen, but you're gonna be fine.
Take everything out of here.
It's gonna be a little swollen.
Baby! Got you. Yeah! What?
Learn how to fucking play the game. You can't say bang bang and walk out. You can't just fucking unload within 6 feet.
This is more than 10
Play
feet.
the fucking game.
Oh my god.
Don't touch me. Hey, don't touch me. We're leaving. Yeah, leaving.
What are you doing? Yeah, because you kept shooting back, dude. Just one shot, you're out.
Stop complaining. Yo, you can't talk to dead man.
You're fucking hit, dude. You're fucking hit. You're out. You're fucking out. You have to go to spawn, dude. That is spawn. The fucking spawn's in the corner.